Traders, Anthony here. In this video I'm going to show you how to trade ADA Cardano using our TradingView indicators. Notice the green shaded background on the chart. I could use the replay mode, but we can easily go back on the chart and have a look at the signals. So I'll do that instead. Now we're looking at the trend track higher time frame indicator. I'll just remove the background color for now so I can show you the signal and explain what we're looking for. So the signal we're looking for is this one. It's an up triangle and you can see the text HTF. This gives us 6 higher time frames, and it sees that the 6 higher time frames are currently bullish, and this will fire at the point when the time frames come together and are in sync. Just open the chart up a little bit more so we can get closer to it. The other signal is this one. Okay, so we work off both these signals. We need 2 signals in this case, and we look for a fib pullback to enter. This indicator down here is giving us the momentum on 6 time frames, and this indicator is giving us the trend on 6 time frames. So when the combination of the trend and the momentum come together, we have a potential opportunity. You can see over here the alerts that have been firing. This is the Cardano alert, or one of them. Click on that, it will bring you into the chart. There's a signal, and we can come back on the pullback. Stop loss under the previous low, but also look at the cloud and look at the this yellow line that we have. That's a previous daily high or low, so we can place our stop loss under that, but preferably under these 2 green dotted lines on the cloud. Generally I'm going for a 2R target, 1 to 2 risk reward by default, but you can also look for these levels on the chart for targets, but we'll look at that more in detail shortly. Here's another signal here. So this is coming off the trend track higher time frame indicator, giving us 6 time frames bullish. I'll just include the background color here so you can see where these time frames kicked in, and you can see that it kicked in here. We've also got the other indicator along with the HTF indicator. The other indicator below is giving us the momentum, and we can come in on the pullback, especially when these 2 signals are in close proximity to each other. There's another signal over here. We have both signals in close proximity. We can take that trade on a pullback. Notice the indicator below where the solid green color is kicking in. That's going to trigger the signal on that indicator. So we just go with a fairly tight stop under the previous low. Go for 2R, or you could look at the levels on the chart for an example in terms of where to place your target. Okay, it's not 100%. You can see these signals are choppy. The background is a bit choppy. A wider stop on this one would have been okay. No, but we had a bit of a pullback. So depending on where your stop loss was, you may or may not have been taken out. But in this case, we'll go with a wide stop and call that not such a happy face. That's fine. Have a look left, and we have another signal down here. And the main thing with this is it gives us the opportunity to get in early on big moves. So they well and truly cover for any trades that fall over. Okay, so again, stop loss in the cloud this time, and you can see the green dots in the cloud. That's telling us that the higher time frames are in sync, and we can follow price with our stop loss. Okay, so a trailing stop isn't a bad idea at all. Go for broke with your target, and in this case was a pretty good outcome, and these opportunities happen regularly. So there's a 10R on that one. Here's another signal here, but we don't have the combination of the 2 indicators. We've got the trends, but we don't have the momentum indicator giving us that extra confirmation. So I'd let that one go. Get plenty of signals, lots of opportunities, as you can see. Okay, here's another signal here. We have both signals in close proximity. Right, so go on the fib pullback, I should say. Stop loss under the low, and there's an entry point. You could place your stop loss close to the green dotted line under. Go for 2R, but you can extend that if you like. See the dotted line kept you out of trouble on that trade with your stop loss. Now here's another signal here in proximity. You could take that pullback, keep your stop loss tight, under the previous low, and you'll do okay. And the other thing is to move your stop loss to break even at 1R, and that will get you out of trouble. But the thing with this is you want these opportunities, and the indicator is going to get you in. You can also take these trades here as well, where you see the bullish alert or signal from this indicator here. I'm just going to increase the intensity so you can see this. If the background is green, you can take these trades here as well. So you might want to enter multiple times and build a position, or build your position. See, there's so many opportunities here to enter while the background on the chart is green, giving us a strong trend. In other words, we have 6 time frames bullish. We can take every one of these bullish signals long. You can see the green dots under. These are the higher time frame trends, all these green dots. And this indicator is based on variations of the average true range. Where they all turn green, the signal will fire. I mean, it's just a fantastic strategy. All right, so back here, there's our initial signal, the combination of the two, where we have the up triangle and the bullish, and then we enter. Yeah, and as I said, we continue to build our position on every one of these signals here. Right, and you can set these to go off in the alerts. You follow it up, just trail price with your stop loss. Okay, so you can see the levels in the cloud here. Just place your stop loss in the cloud and let it go. Just keep following it up. At some stage it'll trade into the cloud, and that might take your stop loss out if that's where you placed it. Otherwise, when the candles turn red, that could be another sign to exit if you want as well. But with a stop loss that's trailing, or a stop loss at break even, just let it go. And there'll be times when you have an incredible outcome. It just depends on how well you read the chart and manage your trades. So the trend track HTF, there's a signal there, and that one got you in right at the beginning of a major expansion. Guys, I invite you to join. You can gain access to the indicators today. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, indicators, and at the moment it's only $29.95 a month. I'm making this really affordable. It will be going up soon, so make sure you jump in. I will like to let you know that we have the currency trading course. These are daily mentorship videos, and we cover everything in those videos. Okay, there's a Telegram signals, and of course you gain access to the TradingView indicators. Grab it while it's on a discount. Lock that in, guys, before price goes up. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.